Hey, remember what I told you. Be your own boss. Love yourself. Get up and dance. Level up.
Level up, 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 level up.
So what they don't tell you about frontals is they get really dirty, get a lot of buildup, and they are a lot of work. So you guys are probably wondering how I'm going to clean this. Well, let me tell you, this video will be all about that. So I'm going to start off with the Garnier Fructis oil, or you can use any kind of oil, and you just want to lather it up and take a toothbrush and gently brush it. So that way some of the buildup will come up and make it easier to lift. And I'm just going to be doing that, and as you can see, I do like a brush up motion. You're just going to keep doing that until you feel confident enough that the oil and all that, the dirt and all that stuff will lift up. So now you're going to take some alcohol, and I do not do this every single week. I literally do this like once in a blue moon, like when it gets really dirty like it is now, because that helps like clean the buildup, get rid of any like dirt, bacteria, all that stuff. And then I just brush it and rinse it, as you guys can see. Okay, so now I'm going to shampoo it. I am using a 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner to clean the hair. And when I say I use technically the whole bottle, literally the whole bottle, and you guys will see that, you just want to lather it up, scrub it, bring it all the way down through the hair, and then just, just keep lathering it. So again, to lift and remove the buildup even more, you're going to take that toothbrush and you're going to scrub, okay? Okay, so now I'm just going to fill up the sink with some warm water and then just put in some 2-in-1 conditioner that I'm using. And then I'm going to let the hair soak in that to bring up some more of the buildup. Okay, so I know some of you guys are probably wondering where I got my shirt from. This shirt that says God Made Me Dope is from CIB Apparel. He is so awesome, y'all. Please be sure to follow his Instagram. I will include all of his information down in the description. He has such a large collection. He has 6,571 posts. So now that I have let the hair sit for about 30 minutes to an hour, I am now going to take it out and literally rinse all of that 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner out of the hair. Just for a little extra cleaning, I do go back over the hair with the 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner before I completely rinse it out.
Digits on the beat.
So from the beginning of the video to now, there's obviously a tremendous difference on how the lace looks now. It looks a lot more natural. So now I'm going to take Herbal Essence conditioner and I'm going to apply that all over the hair. Okay, so shout out to my mom because she coupons and she got this for little to nothing. So I'm going to also mix in this conditioner just to give it an extra lather. It is for relaxed hair, but the hair is straight, so I don't think it's going to hurt it. So I'm using that to add in onto the wig. So now I'm going to let the hair sit for about 30 minutes to an hour. I did go a little over an hour, but now I'm going to rinse out all of that conditioner. Now look at this difference, y'all. It is so much more better than what it was at first. It's amazing. Okay, so before I try to comb the hair, I do try to get as much of the excess water out of the hair as possible. I usually take a cotton t-shirt, but I'm moving out of my dorm today, so I had to use the washcloth. Okay, so now I just sit it on my mannequin head and I literally let it dry, like completely air dry, and I do brush it out really well before I leave the hair completely alone. So as you guys can see, this routine is very simple, very easy, very affordable. You just have to make sure that you take your time and you don't brush on the hair too hard with the toothbrush. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Let me know how you guys feel about this routine. I am new to frontals, so do let me know if you have any suggestions for me, and I hope you guys enjoyed.